Hello, creative, crafty, lovely, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make your own jewel picker-upper. I had purchased one a while ago from Amazon, and it comes with two sides to it. It comes with a thin side and it comes with a thicker side. But this actually is my second one that I've gone through, and it's really great because you can pick up like your gemstones, or right here some sequins. And but after a while, what happened with my first one was that it lost the little rubber right there. Here it is, as you can tell, it lost it on one side. So what I noticed with this glue here is that it is removable. It is the Tombow Mono multi-liquid glue, and this glue bottle comes with a fine tip right here, and then it comes with like this rubber, I don't know, it's like a stopper almost, but it does have a hole and you can get glue through it. And it's great for, instead of like rubbing your finger on a project, you can always use this side. And so let me go ahead and show you how to make your own jewel picker-upper. So I am using a toothpick here, and I'm just gonna put some glue right there, a dab of glue. And then I'm just gonna roll this toothpick right here has a pointy edge, and then it's got edge where it's flat. I'm gonna use the flat side, and I'm just gonna roll it. Make sure that I get a really good coverage on all sides, and as you can tell, I got it on all sides. And this does take a while to dry. I have one here that I have been drying for about an hour, and as you can tell, here, it does change color. There we go. It does change color. If it goes from like a milky to like a darker color, a yellowish. So I'm going to set this aside for it to dry, but let me wipe this off as well. And here's how it works. It works perfect. You're just able to pick it up and then apply it, apply it to your projects. And here's some sequins, and it works great just like the other one. And it's a little bit easier to use one of these than it does your tweezers, because sometimes when you use your tweezers, I know that these can go flying out. The other thing I wanted to show you was that I did apply some of the glue to this paper, and it's great for like embellishments as well if you're gonna package them up. I have a package right here, and if you put it on, like this is just a bag, but if you put it on, and then you could just take it out. And that is my, oh, the other thing I wanted to say is that when you're done with these bottles, you can remove the label, clean them out, like take this off and clean them out, and apply it or fill it up with other adhesive. Right now I have some art glitter glue on here, and I took the label off, that way I don't get confused with which one's which. But they're great because now you have a fine tip. I still like using these bottles because it's a little bit finer tip, but it's, if you don't want to buy those, this is also really great to use. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.